perfect. Almost. Is that ready, Chef?
Oui, almost, madame. Magnifique. Magnifique.
Oh, darling. It's perfect.
Just like you, my love.
Oh, my. Look at this, Timmy. Boring.
Gerald, have you seen the flowers?
Indeed, Hilda. Quite remarkable.
Perfect. A little closer, please.
Chocolate!
So close.
Careful, mon petit.
This is the happiest day.
None, not now.
Phil, keep snapping. We need candid shots. Yes, ma'am. Just 5 more rolls. It's a bit lively, isn't it?
Sacre bleu! Stay still, Fountain!
Smile for the guests. Uh-oh. Isn't this just lovely?
Just lovely.
No! No! Stay! Please! To us, my love.
Here we go! Oh.
Oh mon Dieu!
My wedding.
Well, that was unexpected.
Our chocolate cake? Chocolate cake? Delicious.
Chef Pierre!
Penelope, I can explain.
Whee!
Chocolate slide!
Well, it's still cake. Waste not, want not, dearie.
New look, Grandpa.
here, you chocolate fiend!
Pardon, madame.
This isn't gonna look good in the album.
You got it here!
So do you, my beautiful chocolate bride. Chocolate flag!
Gotcha!
Remarkably festive in its own way.
Best wedding ever!
Let me get that for you, dear. No! More chocolate!
A thousand apologies, madame.
Well, I guess everyone's getting abstract photos.
Chocolate cake for everyone!
Well, at least it's...
At least it's memorable.
Another piece, Gerald?
I think I've had quite enough, thank you.
Oh, you little rascal!
Not bad. Not bad at all.
Well, it's certainly unique. You'll never catch me!
Oh, yes, I will. Chocolate confetti!
What a party! Who needs a clean wedding?
Only if you clean it all up, Pierre.
Avec plaisir, madame.
Ode to chocolate.
Maybe this one will work.
Like this, Gerald.
Quite invigorating.
Our first dance, chocolate style.
Chocolate Man!
Perhaps we'll offer a chocolate explosion package next year.
Only if I get a raise.
A truly unforgettable occasion.
I love you, chocolate and all.
Hooray for chocolate!